What language do you reckon they speak under the sea? Lush reveals take. Is it Lush reveals take one? Then. Oh my god. It smells good. Welcome to this episode of Lush Reveals. We have so much to get through. It is super jam-packed. We have collaborations, we have merch, we have more merch, we have old scents, we have new scents. It is so busy and I just want to get into it. So let's go. Who lives on a pineapple? Under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. And if you can't tell, I freaking love SpongeBob. In fact, I'm even dressed like SpongeBob. We are doing a SpongeBob collaboration as part of Plastic Free July. Whoop whoop. And as a result, we thought it'd be really cool to make all of the products in this collection naked. It's plastic free. There's no waste. There's nothing. You just use it and have a great time. First up is the SpongeBob soap. It has a really, really gorgeous fruity smell, and I think that's because of the sweet wild orange that's in it. This has the same scent as the passion fruit body wash delight. So if you're a fan of that product, then you're going to love this soap. Next up is the SpongeBob Bath Bomb. Now this is one of the ones I'm most excited for because this leaves your bath water looking sea green. It's got plenty of bubbles in it. It has popping candy, and obviously, just like any product that we do, it smells freaking incredible. This too also smells like passion fruit delight. So maybe if you're looking to build up a bit of a SpongeBob routine, that you could have the soap and the bath bomb. I'm just throwing a few ideas out there. Because this is Surprise Patrick. Can we do something fun where it's like, ah, yeah. Ah? This is Surprise Patrick. When I sniff it, because I've given it about 15 sniffs, actually, it's the same smell as the coconut lip scrub. So if you're a big fan of the coconut lip scrub, you're going to love Patrick. He actually contains coconut milk powder, which means that he's really creamy, soothing, and hydrating. And also what's really cool is that it has popping candy, so it's going to make a great sound in the bath. Here is the Home Sweet Pineapple, and this is actually getting me in the holiday mood. So this new fragrance that's in this product is called Tarta de Piña. I could have butchered that, but I'm going to go with it. Home Sweet Pineapple is a body balm. It's light, it's moisturizing, and it actually absorbs into your skin really quickly. One of the great ingredients that's in this product is fresh pineapple juice, and that is great for leaving your skin with a healthy glow. As this is a balm, if you leave this in the sun or somewhere hot, it will melt. So we recommend you store this in a cool, dry place, and maybe if you have a Lush tin handy, might be quite useful. Next up is Squidward, and is brought to you in bubble bath form. It's really weird, I'm sniffing Squidward. That's a line I never thought I'd say. And this actually shares the same scent as the Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub. So, if you're a lover of that scrub, you're going to love Squidward. I can't wait to try this one out, you know. I think Squidward might be my favourite. You're going to need to prepare yourself for what I'm about to show you, because this is incredibly cool, and I genuinely, I am screaming inside with how cool this is. It's the Krabby Bathy. How cool is that? This is a gift set, and so it has the box and the burger. Within the Krabby Bathy, there is a bath bomb, which are the buns. There is a bubble bar, which is the patty, and then there is 2 soaps. The buns, because we don't want none unless you got buns hun, has the same scent as the Asteroid Easter exclusive bath bomb. It smells of fruit, bergamot, and lime, so it's just this real fruity smell. The lettuce and tomato has the same scent as the rainbow and waterfall soap. Now what I love about these collaborations is that it allows us to be even more creative, and it allows the teams within Lush to be creative, bringing something to life. How awesome is that? It smells good. Next up in the SpongeBob collection is some muslin cloths. Woo. Now these are really cool because you can remove dirt, skincare, makeup. And they actually, because they've been sat next to the products, actually smell really good, which is so funny. This is Squidward, SpongeBob, and here is Patrick. These feel really quite nice on your skin, and they also feel like they're going to last as well. If you loved these products, you'll be pleased to know that they are available on the 29th of June, online and in store globally. In celebration of Wes Anderson's new movie, Asteroid City, which is actually out now, we created some pretty cool products. It's a bath bomb in the shape of an asteroid. And it has one of our famous retro scents, Space Girl. So if you're a Space Girl lover, and you've been missing a bit of Space Girl in your life recently, this is going to be a great bath bomb to have. There is actually a Doomsday hand and body soap that fits this asteroid. How cool is that? The Doomsday soap is really great because it is sweetly scented. It actually shares the same scent as Comforter. It also contains fine-grade sand, which is great for a gentle exfoliator. Next up in the collaboration is the UFO shower jelly. What's really cool about this is the design. Spaceship design. Woo. Oh, obviously, other than the fact that it shares the same scent as Zesty, so it smells amazing, and it's super citrusy, energizing. The shower jelly contains fair trade organic aloe vera gel and carrageenan extract, which is great for hydrating and soothing your skin. What's really cool about our shower jellies is that you can pop them in the freezer and they'll retain their jelliness, but they'll be super cooling and super relaxing, which is especially great on a hot day. Last up in the collection is the Asteroid City shower gel, scented with Space Girl, and it's obvious that I've got to give it a whiff. Now, one of the things that gives Space Girl its iconic scent is the grapefruit and the bergamot, and it smells so good. Because we're excited about this collaboration, we have a pop-up store in Beak Street, London, and we have one all the way over in Vegas. Now, if you want more details about the pop-up store, you should definitely check the description down below. Just so you know, there are some really cool photo opportunities. You can get a slushie, and you can have a look at the products. Next up, we have some really cool lifestyle merch, which is going to be launching in select stores from June 22nd, such as this really cool eye mask, and it's called Shut Eye. I'm going to do it blindfolded. Oh, it could work terribly. It could not work at all. So, we have a kitchen little green pouch, which is really, really cute. Next, we have a little keepsake box. Super, super cool. Woo! Well, let's show one at a time. It's a kitchen tote bag. Here's the other. Woo! No way, have I got the wrong side?
Yes.
Look at that. And then this one, which is called Dreamland, because that's where I was for a moment there. Now for something completely different. We've got greetings cards. The cards come in a range of designs, and some even have some really cool badges, like this one. It could be worse. That's really fun. Never mind the bath bombs or rub-a-dub-dub, let's get in the tub. I recommend sending that to someone you like, though. I wouldn't send this to someone you don't like. All of these greeting cards are coming very, very soon. It will start off with a UK launch, and then we'll launch globally. Well, that was a jam-packed episode. I hope you enjoyed it. You'll find all the links down in the description below, so if you're looking for a bit more information, please check there. And as always, thank you for tuning in, and we hope to see you again next time. Goodbye. Might actually take a bite out of this, you know. Do you reckon it's like a universal fish language? Or do you reckon it's English? I wonder. I've always wondered that.